Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox Anker 30W fast charging adapter, also USB-C charging cable for my iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So let's begin. So first of all, I just unbox USB-C charging cable. Okay, after open my charging cable, I can find only cable inside this box, nothing more. So right now open my Anker adapter. Inside this box I can only find a adapter and also a user manual. That's it. So guys, this is the final look. My adapter, nothing more. Here you can see there have a Anker logo and USB-C port. Also there have a showing 30W, and this is. So that's it guys. I hope you can understand everything. Thank you everyone for watching this video.